Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some unique and creative ways to decorate your home with wall clocks. Wall clocks can be a beautiful addition to any room and they don't have to be boring or basic. So let's dive in and explore some exciting wall clock decor design. First, let's take a look at some modern and minimalist wall clock design. These clocks are perfect for those who prefer a clean and simple aesthetic. You can find clock made from materials such as wood, metal, or even acrylic. Some clock even features bold, simple numbers or abstract designs. One idea is to create a gallery wall with a few minimalist clocks of different shapes and sizes. This can make for a unique and eye-catching display. Another option is to choose a larger clock with a simple design and hang it on a feature wall in your living room or bedroom. Next, let's explore some rustic and vintage wall clock design. These clocks are perfect for those who love the charm and character of old-fashioned decor. You can find clock made from reclaimed wood, distressed metal, or even antique style materials. One idea is to create a cozy cottage style space with a rustic clock as the centerpiece. You can pair it with other vintage inspired decor such as old books, lanterns, or woven baskets. Another option is to choose a clock with a distressed finish and hang it in a shabby chic style bedroom or living room. Finally, let's see some wall clock decor design. These projects are perfect for those who love to get creative and make things with their own hands. You can use materials such as wood, paper, or even old records to create unique and one of a kind clocks. One idea is to make a clock using old family photos or postcards. You can print out the images, glue them out onto a wood or cardboard base, and add a clock mechanism. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this wall clock decor design inspiring and helpful. If you have any other ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.